We all have hidden stories, the ones we don't tell, the shame of not having enough, the sting of a friend who disappeared when we needed them most, the quiet habits we use to numb the stress. I call these the hidden stuff, and for years I let them run my life. There were nights I'd sit on the edge of my bed, not to sleep, but just to listen to the silence. Shame was my roommate. It came from whispered judgments, from trying to look okay when everything was falling apart. I learned to hide bills, to laugh when my chest felt like it was breaking. Hiding protected my pride, but it starved my potential. It cost me the chance to ask for help. Betrayal was quieter, a friend who stopped visiting, a partner who chose their own comfort over my care. The wound it left was distrust, but betrayal taught me something crucial: the economy of trust. I had to learn where to spend my emotions, when to repair a relationship, and when to release it and reinvest that energy into something that would actually grow. And then there were the sleepless nights, fueled by anxiety and quick fixes. Small escapes that felt like solutions but were actually a prison. I couldn't break free with willpower alone. It took new routines, tiny wins, and daily practices to change my energy. I replaced numbing with mini rituals, like a 10-minute walk or reading a few pages of a book. It was habit, not motivation, that saved me. These stories aren't just about pain. They are lessons. They teach a philosophy of action, gratitude over bitterness. Small daily disciplines over waiting for some huge wave of motivation. Clarity over chasing trends. This is why I created the 40-minute clarity activation. It's not spiritual theater. It's a practical, step-by-step guide to take you from feeling stuck to taking action. In just 40 minutes, you'll uncover a hidden truth, reframe it into a plan, and set up an accountability system to make sure you follow through. We've seen people use this exact process to create debt negotiation plans, launch side hustles, and even publish their first creative work. It's about turning your hidden stories into your greatest strengths. If you're ready to stop hiding and start building, this is your first step. Click the link in the description to get the free 40-minute clarity activation and workbook. Let's start your transformation now.